Question 25 asks, what is the length of a diagonal of a rectangle with length 12 and width 5? In order to solve this problem, let's go ahead and build ourselves a rectangle. Rectangle here. Okay, let's make it a little thicker so we can see it better. All right, so here's our rectangle. We can go ahead and label our rectangle. We know that we've got a length of 12 and a width of 5. So we can call this 12 and this 5, right? And we know that because it's a rectangle, that's going to be the same on this base and this base, are equal, and this side are equal. So we have 5 and 5 and 12 and 12. We also know because it's a rectangle, that automatically tells us that we're going to have 4 right angles in this shape. 4 right angles here. Okay? All right, so what we're charged with figuring out here in this question is we need to discover the length of the diagonal. So what we're going to do, let me choose a completely different color. We're going to draw, and all a diagonal is, it just says it's just a line that cuts diagonally across a figure. Okay? So we can use this diagonal and the 2 measurements we have here. We know that they form a right triangle, so we can call this C, and we can now solve for it. All right, so let's use our Pythagorean theorem to solve for C. All right, so we've got a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And we can call either one of these a or b. I'm going to call this a and this b. You could have done them the opposite. It's up to you. We've got 12 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. 12 squared is 144 plus 5 squared, which is 25, equals c squared, which we are still looking for. 144 plus 25 is equal to 169, equals c squared. In order to remove the square on our c, we're going to take the square root from both sides. That's going to cancel out there. And we are going to be left with 13 equals c. So our correct answer there is B. I'm noticing a pattern. I don't know about you.